Hey everyone, welcome back to AI with Christopher Watton. Today I want to dive into something really interesting that's caught my interest a few weeks ago. While I was getting interviewed to talk about GenAI in finance, especially the offline part, by using open source models to keep the data private and secure, I came across this really interesting software called Ollama. Naturally, I asked myself what it is, how can I use it, and what we can do more with it. And now I want to show it to you, how you can install it and how you can use it to create offline application on your own hardware powered by open source models such as Llama 3.1, Mistral, or many, many more. And just it totally blew my mind away. So let's dive in and see how we can get Ollama onto your PC. So what do you get at the end of this video? You will have Ollama installed locally on your machine, opening a terminal where you can ask questions and run different models. Let me show you how. Simple it is. Ollama is basically the commands which you can execute, and then you have different available commands which you can use to show you the list of the models you have or to run actually a model. So let's check which models we currently have installed. Ollama list, we see actually 2 weeks ago, approximately, I tried different versions of different models. So I tried Deepseek-Coder for coding, Mistral, Mixtral, Llama, and Llama 70B. Let's launch very simple Ollama run, and then let's say Llama 3.1 to see what we can ask. To show a bit more information, we'll put it in the verbose mode, which will tell us at the end how long the model needed, how many tokens per second we got, to see a bit the power of our hardware. And let's ask the simple questions like, write a Twitter tweet where Elon Musk announced that he bought OpenAI recently. So, big news. I'm thrilled to announce that Tesla and me have acquired OpenAI. We are excited to combine forces within this brilliant team to researchers and engineers to accelerate the development of AI for humanity benefits. Let's make a brighter future together. Hashtag OpenAI. So we see text is okay. It's maybe not really Elon Musk style, but at the end we get the information out of it. Total duration was almost 4 seconds. We had around 23 tokens per second. And we can also ask a bit longer questions, such as explain to my parents how GenAI works. So here he is currently explaining, basically, hopefully in simple terms, how in general GenAI works. GenAI stands for generative AI, it's a type of AI, and so on. He will do kind of formatting with titles, with bullet points, another title, bullet points, sub bullet points, and so on. So we see really a structured message, and totally it took 21 seconds to generate with 22 tokens approximately per second a message. So it's quite impressive. This is what you will get if you follow this video until the end. So what exactly is Ollama? Well, it's a user-friendly tool that allows you to run large language models directly on your computer, and this within a few minutes. Install the tool, download your model, and ask your question. Right now, it supports macOS and Linux, and Windows is in preview. And some of you might think, Ollama, oh, it only supports Llama models from Meta, but no, in fact. It doesn't stop at just the Llama models, it supports a range of models including Mistral, 5 from Microsoft, Gamma from Google, and many, many more. You can even fine-tune and implement RAG solutions with Ollama and Python with ease. So let's take a quick look at the Ollama website. As you can see, they support a variety of models. These includes not only, as previously mentioned, Llama 3 models, but also Mistral, Mixtral, Gamma, Phi, and many more. Recently, they have added 3.1. It's incredible that you can try out these models locally and customize them however you want as they are quantized. All the models are so small and fit in your hardware. In fact, the 8 billion parameters model from Llama 3.1, which would need in their original version almost 60 GB of GPU RAM, just needs now 4.7 GB. The 405 billion parameter model would have needed around 800 GB of RAM and just needs now 230 GB. It's still huge, but it's so much reduced without really losing quality in their results. So let's get started with Ollama, and it's super straightforward, trust me. You head to download, you click on your operating system, in my case macOS, download it, and wait until it's downloaded. So just double click on the zip, you open it, and follow the prompt step by step. Yes, move to applications. Next, install, enter your password, finish. That's it. A few steps, and you have installed it. So let's try it out. In the command line, you can just enter Ollama, and there you see which commands are available. You have run for running a model, list to show the list of models. So as I've already played a bit before with it, let's check which models we currently have. We have our LLama 3.1, the 70 billion, Mixtral, 5 from Microsoft, and Deepseek-Coder. Let's try it out if it's working. LLama 3.1, currently loading the model. Let's ask again, as in the hook, set to verbose, and then we ask a question. Let's ask him, hello, tell me a joke. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasse. Hope that you make smile. Do you want to hear another one? So we have basically around 24 tokens per second, and the total execution took us almost 2 seconds. As you can see, once you have it installed, Ollama is working smoothly, and you can run any model you have downloaded before. If you execute the command Ollama run and a specific model behind for the first time, at the beginning it will download the model, and then afterwards it can be used. So we are again at the end, and I hope that you have now successfully installed Ollama on your laptop, on your PC, and that you were able to run the first open source LLM such as LLama 3.1, Mistral, Mixtral, Gamma 2 on your own laptop. And see you next time in another video about GenAI and AI.